Hi there! Thanks for your interest in smart-trike's new foldable line. I'm about to present you the most recent, revolutionary, patented foldable trike that can actually be folded to 15% from its open size. SmartFold 700 is part of smart-trike's new folding line. Ideal for children ages 9 to 36 months, this trike is designed to grow with your child for years of outdoor fun. And like all smart-trike products, it meets all required safety standards. After you remove the trike from its storage bag, you can see how quickly and easily it unfolds with just a few clicks. For babies who are 6 months old, the fully padded swivel seat should be facing you. You can also keep it in a reclined position in this stage. The bag works as a footrest. Once your child is around 9 months, simply turn the seat around and push the backrest forward so he or she can start to enjoy the view. At this point, your little one will also be able to use the early footrest. In parent mode, there are several great features to keep you in total control. The telescopic parent handle and touch steering technology allows you to easily push and steer with one hand. Just make sure the transition button is pushed to the right side to keep the trike in this mode. The detachable UV canopy extends for added versatility, and the 5-point harness and safety bar offer total security. There's also a built-in shock absorber and EVA wheels for a smooth, quiet ride. Other exciting features include a parent accessory bag for your phone or water bottle, as well as a storage bag for all of your little one's essentials. Once your child reaches the age of 1, you can remove the early footrest and push the folding footrest out. At this point, the adjustable handlebar can also be moved closer to your little one. Now it's time to check out how to switch the trike from parent-controlled to child-controlled mode, which is designed for kids 2 years and up. First, you need to move the red transition button on the left side and turn the mudguard around until you hear a click. This will allow your child to begin steering. Next, remove the canopy and safety bar. Then push the folding footrest back in and out of the way. Now it's time to attach the non-slip pedals. Simply remove them from the storage bag and push them right into the wheels. The pedals feature a 2-stage design. The first is the footrest stage, where they're only pushed in for one click. In this stage, your child can use them as a footrest. Once your child reaches 30 months, simply push the pedals in fully to give him or her complete control of the front wheel. Next, push the parent handle down, and your little one will be ready to ride independently. One of the best things about the folding Trike 700 is its 2 convenient storage options. To start, remove the pedals and place them in the bag. Next, make sure that the canopy is attached and pushed back, and the safety bar is pushed up. Then fold the handlebar back and fold the seat forward. You also want to remove the front wheel at this time. After that, push the red handle back to fold the trike. Then place the front wheel in its dedicated storage spot on top. Wrap the black strap around the trike to keep it contained, then place it in the bag. Make sure to seal it with the touch closures. In carry-on mode, you can keep the back wheels attached and extend the parent handle to roll the trike along with you for easy transport. Or you can detach the wheels and store them inside the bag. It's as simple as that. Opening up a whole new world of exploration for both children and parents. SmartTrike's new line of SmartFold folding trikes offers the perfect combination of functionality and fun.